Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can get free Apple Music subscription for 12 months. So I welcome you all, my name is Harsh and I welcome you all to HBT Code. So let's get started. Alright, first thing which you need to do is you need to go to your Apple Music app. For that you can go to your app library and search their Apple Music. You need to install this. If you already have this, then you need to open this. Now when you open this app for the first time, you will get offer here. Get 3 months for the price of one. Offer ends soon. Now what does this mean? This means that you pay just for 1 month and you will get 2 months more free. So this is a simple paid method. I will tell you more methods to get Apple Music subscription for free, but this is a simple method that where you will pay for 1 month and you will get free subscription for 2 months more. So what you need to do here is to get this, just tap on that, double tap to your power button and use your Face ID to get this offer. Now we will get to one more method where you can get free Apple Music subscription without paying a single penny. For that, what you need to do is you need to open your app store and go to the search section. Here you need to search Shazam, Shazam. So we'll search here Shazam and you need to click on that and install the app which I will show you here, this app Shazam Music. So you need to tap on the install button and install this app. So if you are installing this app for the first time, you will get 3 months free music subscription, but if not, I'll show you what you need to do. So we will tap on open. Now this app can be very useful for you because this app helps you find unknown music. Just tap on the S icon and it will find unrecognized music for you. Now to get free Apple Music subscription, when you scroll down, you will get a banner here. Get 3 months free Apple Music subscription. This will be for the users who have not availed this offer till now or have not installed Shazam app till now. Since I have installed, I am getting this icon. Now to get free Apple Music subscription for those who have already done this method, you need to open your Safari and search Shazam free Apple Music. So we'll search Shazam free Apple Music, and now we have to open the one which is from applemusic.com. So second one, we'll tap on that. And if you have not availed this offer till now, you will get 6 months free subscription. So scroll down and look for the button learn more and redeem and just tap on that. So I will show you here. You can scroll down and just tap on redeem now and it will redirect you to the Apple Music app. Since I have already availed this offer, I am not eligible right now, but if you have not availed this offer is for you, and using this you can get free 12 months Apple Music subscription.